Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this dresser that this brand sent to me for this video with 7 drawers. This is gonna be more like an overview, just to show you this really nice and beautiful dresser that they sent to me, but also kind of like show you the size and how it looks and everything. This one is about 47 inches by 15 or almost 16 inches deep and 30 inches tall. It's really big for kind of like putting a TV on top. For example, if you want to put a TV and a soundbar, you can put a TV up to 65 inches, I think. It depends on the stand of the TV, of course. It comes with the 2 separate legs. You may want to check that. If it's just one single kind of like stand in the middle, you can put a big TV because this one supports a really good amount of weight. Then it comes with the 7 drawers. And let's talk about the assemble. My nephew actually did this one, and it took him about an hour. It's just one person with power tools. It took him about an hour. So I gotta say that if you are 2 people with power tools, it may be like 45 minutes or something like that. So it's not complicated at all. But then let's actually take a closer look so you can see this really nice wooden effects and the golden accents right here in each one of the drawers. And of course, I do like that it's kind of like, it's not inclined. The only thing inclined is actually this lid over here, the cover, but the actual drawer, it goes super straight. But I do love how it looks, everything kind of like inclined and escalated. So that's actually pretty nice. So I do really like the accent right here, how this vintage and farmhouse style wood looks really nice, of course. But also check this out. Really nice and deep drawers right here. These are going to be the main ones with the golden accents, with the golden handles right here. And you can see how smooth these ones go. But then you have 4 of these big ones. So these are going to be kind of like the big drawers. And the same thing with this one. So these are going to be kind of like more for underwear, socks, or something like that. And this one could be like more like pajamas and shirts and shorts and things like that. So I do have to say, not complicated assemble. Really nice 7 drawers with this kind of like nice effect right here that I like. And also the vintage wooden farmhouse style that I really like in our house for sure. And the 47 inches by 30 by 16. I like it. I do recommend this big boy over here. Oh, by the way, it's actually really, really heavy.